G'day guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Vapormax 2s in this black, red and yellow colourway. Let's get straight into it. Now let's see what they look like on feet. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the Vapormax 2 in this black, yellow and red colourway. If you like the video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below if you get. Why not? Appreciate it. Thanks guys. Before I forget, I also like to shout out this guy and this guy. I see you guys. Appreciate it.